In the Declaration, they raised 4 clauses that dealt with judicial abuses. They said, we're having real trouble with British judges. We have judicial activism with these British judges. 11 years later, they solved it in the Constitution. Now, the 2 things that they complained the most about with British judges, and this started with Sam Adams in 1765. Samuel Adams was one of the leaders in this. He said 2 problems with the British judiciary. One is their judges have lifetime appointments. 2, their judges are unaccountable to the people. What we have is King George III appoints them, and they make rulings against our legislatures all the time, and we can't do anything about it because they're appointed by the king, not by us. We got no recourse. On top of that, he pays their salary. We don't.
Wow.
We don't have any way of touching these judges. So the 2 big complaints Americans had about the British judicial system was lifetime appointments and unaccountable judges. And so you're going to tell me that that being the 2 biggest complaints, they gave us the Constitution that's going to allow lifetime appointments and going to allow unaccountable judges? No. When they got to the Constitution, they gave us 6 clauses that enabled Congress to keep judges from having lifetime appointments, 6 clauses that enabled Congress to keep judges from being unaccountable. I mean, there's all sorts of tools they gave to make sure we wouldn't have what we'd experienced with Great Britain. Well, we're right back now where we were 200 years ago with Great Britain. We've got lifetime appointments, unaccountable judges. And it's not because they didn't try, because they were prolific writers. And it's not because they didn't put it in the Constitution, it's because we don't study that document anymore.
Wow.
We read about it in school, but we don't read it.